What's going on, guys? Well, the day has finally come. Those of you who follow me know I've been dying to get my hands on this mask. This is my Texas Chainsaw Massacre Pretty Woman mask made by Connor Deless. It's from the dinner scene and the final chase scene of the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. This is my favorite look of Leatherface. I think it just suits the character perfectly. It matches the character. Very creepy. Everything about this mask is exactly like the original. It matches the original copy perfectly. It's got all accurate stitching. Some of it's sculpted in, some of it is cut out. I think he did that to make the mask more sturdy. With the ear. Then you got the eyelids. What I think sets Connor's mask apart from anyone else's is the eyelids. There's just something creepy about them and really makes the mask give that really unique feel to it. He's got the bluish green eyeshadow to it. Women's eyelashes. He's got the blush on the cheeks. And the accurate lipstick smudge. And he's got the slit in the chin. And then you can see this crease here. That's actually in the movie, on the original hero mask from the movie. He sculpted that in there. And then you got the wig up here. As you can see, you got that white paint there. That is accurate to the movie. If you watch certain scenes, you can see it. Now, if you guys want to get any sort of mask from Connor, he makes everything Texas Chainsaw Massacre. He makes a killing mask, he makes Pretty Woman mask, he makes the Grandpa mask, and I believe he makes a bust of Nubbins, the dead hitchhiker from Part 2. Now, he does not have a website, so you're going to have to contact him through Facebook. And you know, he's a very busy guy, so if you get on his list, just be patient is all I can say. He'll get to your mask when he can, but just know that when you're on his list, you're on his list, and he'll get to you when he gets to you. The wait is well worth it. This is such a great mask. I'm very happy with it. And being a huge Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan, definitely of the original, this being my favorite look of Leatherface, it is like my holy grail of all my masks. Texas Chainsaw Massacre, that is. Very, very happy with it. So tell me what you guys think of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot of new things coming in. So thanks for watching, guys.